Can I add cyber liability protection to my homeowner's policy? Personal technology use increases every day, along with the risk of data and identity theft. To protect yourself against the harmful consequences of cybercrime, add cyber liability protection to your homeowner's insurance policy. This add-on coverage reimburses costs associated with a data breach, virus, or cyber attack, including any losses and legal fees accrued up to policy limits. Let's look at a few ways cyber liability protection can work. A cyber criminal successfully accesses credit card, bank account, or social security numbers, resulting in fraudulent transactions, identity theft, or stolen funds. Cyber coverage can pay costs related to fixing your credit, reimbursing losses the bank won't cover, and preventing further breaches. A cyber attack causes damage to your reputation, leading to wrongful termination from your job. Cyber insurance may reimburse you for a portion of lost wages. You receive a ransom demand to remove malware from your computer. Both the ransom and investigation costs can be covered. Cyber coverage can be added as an endorsement to many homeowners' insurance policies. Annual costs range from a few hundred to over $1,000, depending on individual needs. Learn how to safeguard your data and identity and stay protected by discussing cyber liability coverage with a trusted choice independent insurance agent. They'll answer your questions and provide custom-tailored options. Be independent. Go independent.